How to get more HVAC company reviews. Positive online reviews significantly boost trust and sales for HVAC businesses, while negative feedback provides a chance for customer service improvement and transparency. Personal touches in review requests, utilizing technology to streamline processes, and cultivating a top-notch service mindset in employees are key strategies to gain more positive reviews. Leveraging social media, optimizing your website for reviews, partnering with review platforms, engaging in local cross-promotions, and monitoring review performance are crucial tactics for enhancing online reputation and driving business growth. Your HVAC business thrives on positive online reviews. With up to 150% increases observed in sales and 73% of consumers trusting local businesses more with positive reviews, it's clear why positive reviews are critical. An average star rating between 4.5 and 4.8, with at least 40 reviews, is the sweet spot for winning consumer trust. It's no surprise, then, that companies with top rankings on Google typically boast close to 50 reviews. Streamlining the review process with technology. Text messaging. High response rates make text messaging an effective method for requesting reviews. Emails. Emails are equally useful because of their accessibility. Tailored thank you messages, including the customer's name and a link to review within the text message or email, further increases the likelihood of receiving feedback. Automated review requests via getmoreonlinereviews.com can be an effective tool to request Google reviews from customers. Linking back to the reviews page on the company website from social media can drive traffic and positively influence a visitor's decision-making process. Encouraging existing customers to edit their negative reviews once their concerns are resolved can transform them into brand advocates, thereby attracting new customers. Making every service call a review opportunity. Optimizing your HVAC website for reviews. Monitoring and analyzing your review performance. Keeping track of and analyzing your online review performance is vital for refining strategies and gauging the influence of your online reputation. Services like getmoreonlinereviews.com can help by monitoring all your review profiles in your back-office dashboard. How do I get more customers for my HVAC business? To get more customers for your HVAC business, use a reputation management platform such as getmoreonlinereviews.com. Generating more 5-star reviews can help expand your customer base and grow your business. This will allow you to automate tasks such as review requests, social media review sharing scheduling, and customer review follow-ups,